Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Reese's sticks. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Did you ever have a Kit Kat candy bar and think, this is really good, but I wish it had peanut butter in it? Well, Reese's heard your plaintive cries and came to your rescue with these. And now I'm here to save you from having to buy them, because we know that treats that come from the candy kitchen are always better than store-bought. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Reese's sticks, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used some peanut butter wafer cookies, some chocolate melting wafers, and some creamy peanut butter. I also used a cutting board, a sheet of SilPat, and some precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. Spread some peanut butter on a wafer cookie and place it on the lined cutting board. Repeat with the rest of the cookies. Reese's sticks don't have this extra layer of peanut butter, but I'm adding it because I want these to have a little more peanut power. Melt the chocolate according to the directions on the package, then dip a wafer cookie into the chocolate, ensuring full coverage, then drain the excess chocolate and place it on the SilPat. Repeat with the rest of the cookies, then put them in the refrigerator for a few minutes to set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. Doggone it, these are phenomenal. Y'all know how much I love the Choco PB combo, and this is such a good way to deliver it. My only quibble with this treat is the name. Sticks? Really, Reese's? I mean, pretzel sticks, sure, they do look and kind of taste like something that fell off a dead tree, but these? Sticks? Was your entire marketing team on a trip to Aruba when these were developed? Did the CEO's mom say they should be called Sticks and they didn't want to tell her it was a horrible name? Jeepers, Reese's. I expect better from you. Anyway, if you're looking for a treat that tastes way better than the name would imply, you really ought to try these. And now I'm here to save you by not